show. It's the final time you will see this plane fly above the sky.
Airplanes ever built. Solo, he had his private pilot's rating by the time he was 17. Airplanes in the world. The Van series of airplanes. They make them in single place, two place. Instructor pilot in the Air Force Reserve. On that the Yak 55 fuselages and using the asymmetrical thrust throttle manipulation, he could really skid that airplane around. Doing a circle like that without even banking the airplane over. It's amazing what he can accomplish. Over the right wing. There's one. 1.5 hammerhead. Have a Honda Civic that must be moved. Oregon plate 932L.
For its hung in the National Air and Space Smithsonian, climbing to that vertical. Yeah, two very different planes. Jesse Panzer commanding the extra 300L. And right now, as they're on the down line, it looks like they're doing the exact same thing, stuck to each other's wings. But I tell you, at times they're doing actually opposite things. On the down line, Jesse's plane's a lot heavier than Sean D. Tucker's plane, so she's got to actually throttle back as Sean Tucker has to throttle forward. And right now, yeah, upside down, feeling all that blood.
To fly at the age of
Leading the team is Squadron Leader Martin Pert. Martin has previously flown the Harrier and the Typhoon. Upside down at 2,500 feet, the Lancaster roll. Now, many of you may not think the Lancaster was an aerobatic aircraft, but the well-known British test pilot Alex Henshaw repeatedly rolled the aircraft. Well, as the spectacular... In it, break, break, go, calls Red One. Keep your eye on the back four. Red 6 and 7 staying low with the covered smoke. Red 6 and 7. Red 6 and 7 apart, pull towards each other. They'll cross smoke paths, sniffing as they go in the slingshot. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrow!